Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is my first camping vlog in my channel. Let's prepare for everything and hope you enjoy these videos. Let's get started. Our group will have more than 30 people who join this trip. We will camping at Malo, far away from Quinnipiac, around 1 hour drive. We have to prepare food at home for breakfast, lunch and dinner for 3 days. Okay, hi guys. So I just come back from church because everyone today is preparing for food for tomorrow. So that's the reason why I come back home very late. Right now it's 11:31, so I will start to package and I go to sleep tonight to preparing for tomorrow because tomorrow my friend will be picking me up around 7 or 8 a.m. tomorrow, and I'm not sure I will wake up early, I guess. So just package quick. Alright, so that is all the outfits I will bringing for 3 nights. Actually 3 days, 2 nights. So I have this is the PAL t-shirt with a short skirt. I really love this skirt. Oh my goodness, that's pretty cute. And I have the shirt here with a soft pant, and they go together. Alright, and I have a yellow dress with a pretty flower in the middle. Alright, so okay, let's part together. About the skincare, I will have a bag for this one, so I will put everything. Actually, in here I have a lot of stuff in here already. I have 2 lip balm. 2 lip balm one is from Dior and one is from, I think that is POS. And I have 2 shower cream that is for Treat Shell and one is for Malo. So Malo, my friend is asking me to bring for her, so I bring 2 just make sure that we have a shower cream for the shower. I have 1 tissue and 1 hand sanitizer, and I have 1 mirror. That's it. That's for me. That's everything I need to have. Toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay guys, so right now it's almost 2 a.m. and I just brushed my teeth, clean up everything, and waiting for tomorrow. Good night guys.
The next day.
Morning. So today is the first day of camping. So right now is 8 o'clock. I will to prepare for everything, check everything. So I will show you my outfit today. So my outfit today just have the t-shirts with the ledging like this. It's very comfortable and very cozy. So that is around 1 hour to drive. So right now I need to prepare everything. So I have 2 bags to go with me today. One is about my sleeping thing, about sleeping bag and blanket, and one is my personal clothes. So the first time I don't want to bring my bag, but right now I thinking again that is I should bring one personal bag. Is for airport, for my telephone, for charger. So I will see you guys in next 30 minutes.
Xin Chúa chúc lành cho chuyến đi của chúng con. Xin cho mọi sự được khởi đầu và kết thúc trong sự bình an của Chúa. Amen. Như Cha và Con và Thánh Thần. Amen. Rồi, lên đường thôi.
One hour later.
After lunch, we went to set up 3 tents and we slept in those tents for first day as well.
Trời ơi, cái quần què gì đây? Không kịp rồi.
Say hi. First day we just come to sightsee in the stay in the morning, eat lunch and go to Provincial Park. Afternoon, after another person came, we went to the park close to our stay.
Hai đứa bay về sau là thành cặp tao hắt lưỡi cho.
Con rác mà
10 điểm.
Hắn làm lại đi đâu? Ok, đi với hai chơi lại thì vào nha.
Trời, có cái này là nướng đồ quá chuẩn luôn á.
Ba mới chơi con không ba. Sao không chơi còn hay gì còn?
Mà đáp nào mà lùi ra ngoài nhá. Dài lúc ngắn.
Ném mà nó sập đó.
Có ai không sợ ma không? Có ai không sợ ma không?
Anh lấy.
Em có xe dễ nè. Mai ra biển, mai đi buổi sáng lấy ai không muốn ra hồ đi chơi. Mai đi bơi. Đó, mấy kia nó cười lại.
Because I wake up late, so I miss outdoor activity with everyone. So we come back Provincial Park to eat ice cream and walk around there until evening.
Cái kem sô cô la lên là dấu.
Ai có chó? Hay là Kỳ Lân, Unicorn.
Là kem dâu hả anh?
I tried 3 flavors. Unicorn flavor tastes as cotton candy. Lemonade is from lemon, and watermelon tastes as watermelon with chocolate chip inside. After we done our breakfast, clean up everything after 2 days, we moved the tent and left around 11 a.m. On the way, we stopped our friend's restaurant to eat lunch before we come back Quinnipiac. I will leave their address in the description box for someone need. And that is my long weekend. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Cheers!